Hello, this is your friend Ken. This video we are going to solve the challenge of staircase of HackerRank algorithms in Python. And so basically, this challenge is ask us to take the input of a value integer and then output with the like the triangle whose height and the base are both equals to the value which we inputted, right? So and then is where it will be consist with the hash, with the number of hashes. Okay, and now let's try to start. Let's try to start. See here, it takes the user input and then pass through into a pass the argument into a function. Now our job is to set a code which can return a triangle or what they call a staircase, right? Yeah, it's based and the height are both equals to n, and it's drawing using hash symbols and spaces, and the last line is not persist by any spaces. Write a program that prints a staircase of size n. Okay, that's basically whatever I spoke. And now, obvious, we have to use for loop, right? For I in range of n. Yeah, here, very important. Why? Because by default, I starts from 0 and end at n minus 1, because this n is not included, right? So in this case, we want it starts from 1 and end at n itself. So we can write n minus 1 to solve this problem. So that's why I love Python, because it's very flexible. And now what we have to print? We have to print hash, right? So hash, and again in Python, there's a very simple and easy way. Yeah. Okay. First, let's see what is going on. If we just only write hash, so it will print a number of hash, six hashes itself. And but in Python, if we write this stuff into n, that means into I times I means I number of hashes, right? So then basically in this case, in the first line it will print one hash, and second two hashes, third three hashes respectively. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, again it shows wrong answer. Why? Because see, it is reversed, because it wanted us to print right aligned, right? But this is left aligned. And then again, very important in Python, there is one function. Maybe we can put it into bracket. Okay. There's one. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, it's fine. There's one function called rjust. So this will basically solve the problem. Yeah. Okay. Right adjust subject. Okay, don't worry, it's under control, because inside right adjust we need to put one argument. What is the argument? It is n itself. Okay. Yeah, because totally there are 6 number of the space, right? So if we put right adjust, it cannot go to infinity at the end. It cannot right adjust endlessly. So we need to set one limitation to restrict it. That is basically 6, which is n itself. Okay, now let's submit the code. Okay, it's success. Right. Yeah, I have earned 10 points. I'm happy. So anyway, thanks so much for following my video. In the next videos, I'm going to also try to explain Java, C++, or C. Yeah, for the same problem. Okay, see you then.